How's it going, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Prelude. I still haven't came up with a name to change the channel name, but today we are gonna change the tail lights on this thing. These are the stock tail lights. Yes, I know I still haven't changed my plates to Colorado plates, but the story goes, I was told the back end looks a little boring. So I was like, you know what? I'll throw some taillights on there. I was told to do the little spoiler scoop up that goes up here. I do need to get something to fix that little rust spot there. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I have the new taillights here. I got these off of Amazon for like, I think they were $74 for a pair. That's how they look. Got both sides, left and right. They did come in a box, but it was just like a normal boring box, and it had a warning label saying, hey, these are not street legal, not meant for road use or some shit. But you know, do we go by those rules sometimes we don't, you know. We just gotta live on. Anyways, I need to use both hands to get this tape off. Give me a second. So there we are. They are tinted, so I'm hoping that this turn signal, I think this is a turn signal, yeah, the turn signal area isn't so bright, because I don't have any bulbs. I don't have any amber bulbs to put there, so I'm just gonna use the regular white bulbs I got in there. You still have to reuse the back piece, you know, the circuit board. Then you just pop it in there. You put your 2 screws in, and it should pop in. It's only held on by four nuts. Same on that side. It does come with some 3M tape, and I think it's to put along here, just to help it seal. Let's go take a look at the car now. Alrighty, guys, so I kind of went ahead and started on this side. This side was a little beat up, so yeah, I got this one out first. I know I need to clean in here too. No, I got a lot of stuff from when I moved here still in here, some stuff. But yeah, anyways, this tail light was a little damaged. Good thing we're replacing them, right? So like I was saying, so just 2 screws that hold the circuit board. I guess that would be that. Let's see. So those 2 screws, this one, that screw, and then that screw, 2 Phillips, and then I think those are 8mm nuts. One up here, here, and here. Okay, so take that screw out. This screw out. And that releases the circuit board with the bulbs. Like that. And when I find my ratchet here, Son, do you have my ratchet?
Mama.
8mm. What's it? What's it? Well, guys, we have the tail lights off. So now, what I'm gonna do is clean the surface here, the contact surface. That way, I can try to make a good seal for the new headlights with that 3M tape that was provided. Alrighty, guys. So to install them, you just reverse the procedure. Make sure you put your nuts and bolts and screws where they belong, and your new tail light should stay. But before you do that, you have this 3M seal weather strip, and in order to put that, you just underneath these white tabs or stickers, you take the stickers off, and there's like glue underneath it. You take this this strip off on the weather strip. Take that white part off, and you put sticky part to sticky part like that. I tried putting it like that first, but it wasn't sticking. And then it kind of hit me, oh, you know, maybe it's like that. And it stayed, so I think that's the way how it goes. And don't forget to take these off where your bulbs go, and then throw them back on. And there you go, guys. New pair of taillights on the Honda Prelude. I know I haven't made a video about the Prelude for quite a while, so I was kind of happy to make this one. You know, I've been messing with that thing over there. Still have the Tundra, but man, looking good. guys, there you have it. Thanks for checking out this video. Like, share, comment. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think? Am I gonna get pulled over? I am if I don't get those tags changed, right? Alrighty guys, stay awesome. Have a good weekend. Thanks for checking out the video. Peace.